My grandma knits and bakes all day. At least that's what the neighbors say. But I know something they don't know. She's got a secret, here we go. My grandma is a superhero, flying high from here to zero. With her cape of checkered blue, there's nothing that she cannot do. When cookies burn, she uses speed to bake fresh ones when we need. Her super strength can open jars. Her X-ray vision sees afar. She fights the dust bunnies at night with her vacuum of pure light. She rescues cats stuck up in trees and helps lost children find their keys. Her knitting needles turn to swords when fighting mess. She speaks no words. Her garden grows with superpower, fresh vegetables every hour. When bedtime comes, she tells me true. Every grandma's super too. We've got love that's strong and bright, that keeps you safe throughout